You alright? Hello! Hello! How are you? This is a product. And let's get down to the introduction. This is the introduction. So, hello, how are you? So, little bit of a story. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Little bit of a story. I was at a bargain shop, having a bit of a nosy around. See what's going on. See if I can find any deals. See if I can find something surprising, something new, something to talk about. I love bananas and kind of like Jammie Dodgers. So that's what I've come across. Banana Jammie Dodger. You know, go bananas. So it says, look at that. How quirky. Comedians. It's got that little alien thing on it. So maybe it's something special. Guess what? Guess how much I found it for? Take a guess. Still guessing? 79p. 79p for this. Not bad. The fact that I've not tasted them before is the reason I thought I'd give it a go. I might sneeze, so excuse me if I sneeze, because hay fever. So open these bad boys up, see what it tastes like, see if they're any good, see the flavours. So open these bad boys up. Oh. Hay fever's making my nose run a little bit there. Ooh. Get out. Oh, interesting. They made it look a little bit like an eye. Like one of those alien eyes, you know, they do in the cartoon. Interesting. It says JD on the side. Don't know what that Jammie Dodgers. I was about to say I don't know what that stands for, but Jammie Dodgers, quite obvious. Seems a little bit paler than what they normally are. Is that me, or are they paler? And seem a little bit larger than what they normally are. Is it me, or are they a little bit larger? Comment below, let me know. It's coming. It's not come. It's coming. So it did come. Hay fever. At least it's not the watery eyes. That's what I hate absolutely most, you know, about getting hay fever. It's the watery eyes. I don't mind sneezing so much. I think we've got another one coming. It's on its way. Oh dearie me. Let's give this a go. Is it coming? And it's coming. It's gone. There we are. Shukram dalillah. So bismillah. Let's give this a go. The biscuits seem off. They don't seem like a Jammie Dodger. Biscuit seems something like off. They don't seem like they've got that something, you know. Oh God. They don't seem like they've got that something that they used to, you know, the crunch, the biscuit, the feel, the taste, the texture. The texture, the something that Jammie Dodger normally had, the crunch. God, it's getting me today, isn't it? I might have to switch this video off because it's really getting to me, this hay fever. So yeah, that's that. The biscuit, there's no crunch in it, there's not so much taste in it. It seems to be, has an off taste to it slightly. Can't even taste the banana so much. Just slightly taste the banana. Slightly has that banana taste to it, like a basic banana taste to it, but a very subtle one. Hardly anything. Nothing that hits you to say, here's the banana. The biscuit's not got the normal crunch to it. It seems a little bit off. Now, I don't know whether that is because these been around for a little while. He's been around for a little while, if that's a reason, or maybe that's the actual. This is actually meant to be how they're supposed to taste. But either way, for me, they seem to be tasting off slightly, not quite hitting that, you know, bullseye that a Jammie Dodger normally does. Yeah, nothing whatsoever. Let's give another go in case I'm mistaken. Another one. Yeah, completely flat. No taste to the biscuit. Very disappointing. The biscuit's very disappointing. That's, I suppose, the reason why it's it's gone so cheap at 79p. They were just trying to get rid of them. And I could understand why. Plus, no flavour, they're not coming around again. The layer of banana jam, if you like, hardly any of it in it, so you don't get the flavour, you don't get the taste. A little bit, you get like a distant taste to it, and that's all you're getting. That's all the flavour you're getting out of this. Yeah, just taste off. So what can I say about these Jammie Dodgers? Disappointing. Absolutely disappointing. Stay well away from it. No taste to it, no flavour to it. A bit dry. Will a cup of tea save it? Maybe slightly, but I would actually go for an average biscuit, just a normal run-of-the-mill biscuit, because you'd get more out of that. At least your expectations wouldn't be high and you wouldn't be disappointed, whereas your expectations are slightly high on these. You want some kind of flavour, you want some kind of taste, you expect something out of Jammie Dodgers that you normally do. You have those expectations, and this is not reaching those expectations. This is letting me down completely. So I wouldn't be returning to these whatsoever. If I saw them in the shop, I'd give them a wide berth. And well, it's up to you whether you do or not. If you've tried them, tell me what you think. Am I wrong for saying what I've said? Am I right for saying what I've said? Do you agree with me? It's all for discussions. This isn't a dictatorship, you know. So tell me what you think below. excuse me for sneezing a few times. I normally record straight through, warts and all, so you know, it is what it is. I don't sort of like cut, and I try and avoid cutting and, you know, missing parts to it, so it is what it is. I sneezed, it's in the video, there we are. So yeah, that's it. That's been my review of these bananas Jammie Dodgers. I'll see you in the next video. Toodaloo for now. Bye. See you later.